After punishment that may seem harsh, from a puny human perspective, is God perfectly capable of complete restoration? Let's look at Isaiah 35. Will God restore the desert as He renews everything once more? The wilderness and the solitary place shall be glad for them, and the desert shall rejoice and blossom as the rose. It shall blossom abundantly and rejoice even with joy and singing. The glory of Lebanon shall be given to it, the excellency of Carmel and Sharon. They shall see the glory of the Lord and the excellency of our God. Will God strengthen the weak and anxious, saving them? Strengthen limp hands and give courage to the knees of the stumbling. Say to those with an anxious heart, be strong, fear not. Behold, your God will come with vengeance. The recompense of God will come, but He'll save you. Will the sick and handicapped be healed? Will the dry desert receive much needed water? Then the eyes of those who are blind will be opened, and the ears of those who are deaf will be unstopped. Then those who limp will leap like a deer, and the tongue of those who cannot speak will shout for joy. For waters will burst forth in the wilderness, and streams in the desert. The scorched land will become a pool, and the thirsty ground springs of water. In the haunt of jackals, its resting place, grass becomes reeds and rushes. Will there be a large highway only for the redeemed? Will everlasting joy be there, and no more sorrow? And a highway will be there. It'll be called the way of holiness. It'll be for those who walk on that way. The unclean will not journey on it. Wicked fools will not go about on it. No lion will be there, nor any ravenous beast. They'll not be found there. But only the redeemed will walk there, and those the Lord has rescued will return. They'll enter Zion with singing. Everlasting joy will crown their heads. Gladness and joy will overtake them, and sorrow and sighing will flee away. If God promises no more sorrow or crying, does that mean that there'll be no more reason for them? And God will wipe away every tear from their eyes. There shall be no more death, nor sorrow, nor crying. There shall be no more pain, for the former things have passed away. After punishment that may seem harsh, from a puny human perspective, is God perfectly capable of complete restoration? You decide.